Good morning students, welcome back to the EVS class. I hope all are good. Today we are going to study a new chapter, climate. Okay. First of all, let us learn about weather. In previous class we already learned what is weather. What is weather? Weather is actually what happens in the air around us. What happens in the air means day-to-day changes in the air. Yesterday it was the rainy day. Today it is the bright day. In the evening it may be windy day. Understand students? Means weather conditions can change in a day. Different weather conditions. In the morning कभी ऐसे हो सकते हैं मॉर्निंग में बहुत बारिश है, दोपहर में धूप है, शाम को हवा लग जाएगी. Means 3 type of weather conditions in a day. Weather can change. Okay, it is only for short time. See, short times in the atmosphere. Okay, then it in the conditions of weather such as cool or hot. Okay, कभी-कभी सुबह हमें ठंड लगता है, दोपहर को थोड़ा सा गर्मी लगता है, शाम को अच्छा हवा आ जाएगा. Means different type of weather conditions. Okay, then rainy or sunny, humid or dry. Okay, students. Then climate. What is climate? Long period of changes in atmosphere. Okay, atmospheric changes for long period of time. I'll tell you. See, winter season. You know about the winter season, na? ठंड का मौसम. See, it may be in the month of November. Winter season will start. November, December, January, February. Winter season. It is for long period of time. Weather तो short time के लिए, सुबह शाम को दोपहर को ऐसे weather change कर सकता है. But climate for long period of time, for months. Okay, yearly. It is happening yearly. Then summer. After the winter season, summer season will start from the month of March, April, May. Then rainy season will start. It is the climate. It is for long period of time. Weather, it is only for short time. Understand students? Now let us learn. See, factors that determine climate. Several factors can affect the climate. See, first one, distance from the equator, distance from the sea, then height above from the sea level. Okay students, now let us learn distance from the equator. Distance from the equator. See, it is the earth, middle line, exact middle line, it is the equator. This area, it is the equator area, middle area. Then it is the sun. Okay, sun rays, the rays of the sun falls directly, vertically over the equator. Understand students? Means 90 degree angle में equator में sun rays पहुंच जाता है. Understand? See, around the equator sun rays falls the ground at 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle means like this. See there, straight line. Okay? In poles near the equator, the sun's rays are almost directly overhead. हमारा सिर का ऊपर सन आता है, मतलब तब गर्म ज़्यादा आ जाएगा. Understand students? The rays of the sun falls vertically. Vertically means सीधे, straight line. Understand? So the equator receives more sunlight. This equator area receives more sunlight than any other area. Else any other area. दूसरा कोई भी area से means poles area से ज़्यादा equator में sunlight ज़्यादा मिलता है. Why? What is the reason? This is due to the position of its in relation of the sun. See, relation of the sun. It is the middle area. Okay, it is nearer to the sun. That is why. Understand students? It is nearer to the equator. That is why equator area gets more light. Now let us move to poles. Okay. Now as we move to the poles, it is a pole area. Okay, जो कोने में poles area, north pole and south pole. The sun's slant rays means slanting rays. देखो Slanting rays means थोड़ा सा सीधा है. ये 90 degree angle means सीधे. Slanting rays means टेढ़ा. Okay. This and spread over the larger area. Equator is the middle area. ये जगह थोड़ा सा कम है, लेकिन poles area larger area है. Okay. More than equator area. Okay. Spread the light over the poles area. Cold countries are there. Why? Because they are not getting enough sunlight. That is why. Okay, students. At the poles, the sun rays spread over the largest area. Larger area is there. And we already learnt air spreads the sun's heat. जो सन हीट जब आता है, एयर क्या करता है? स्प्रेड करता है. अगर लार्जर एरिया में ये स्प्रेड हो गया तो they will not get enough light. Understand, students? They are not getting enough sun's heat. That is why they are cold countries. Okay. So it is cooler the north and south poles. North pole and the south poles are cooler places. Cold countries are there. Understand, students? Students, now let us learn distance from the sea. Okay. Just imagine it is the sea. Okay. See coastal area. This coastal area is nearer to the sea. So this coastal area gets sweet wind and cool air is there. But what about desert? See, this desert has more distance from the sea. It is far from the sea. Okay, far away from the sea. This desert situates. Okay, so this desert is the hottest area. Very hottest area. Very little rainfall is there. Then they are not getting enough water because this desert situates far from the sea. More distance is there. Okay, students. Now let us come to the coastal area. Do you know that? Students, have you ever visited the beach? Do you know about that? What do you feel in the beach? It is the particular atmosphere, means it is the pleasant atmosphere is there. Moderate climate is there in the beach area. There is waves coming from the sea. है ना? लहर ऐसे समुद्र से आता है. And cool breeze is there. Always we get cool breeze. Do you ever think how does the sea breeze happens? Do you know about that? Always have a sea breeze. Always have a breeze from the sea in the coastal area. Why? What is the reason? There is a particular reason for this. Okay, both the sea and the land have particular features. Now let us learn about what is the particular feature of the land. Students, the land gets heat, land gets hot very quickly. Why? What is the reason? Because of the sunlight. Okay, sun's heat is there. That is why in the daytime the land gets hot very quickly. Okay, students. Then as soon as the sun rays goes away, the sun's rays goes away when at the time of sunset. This land again it gets cold. Understand? In the daytime the land gets hot very quickly. Okay, because of the sunlight. But at the evening time, otherwise after the sunset, again this land gets cold because sunlight is not there. That is why. Okay, very quickly. It is the particular feature of the land. Understand, students? ये डे टाइम सनलाइट उधर है, इसलिए ये जो लैंड है जल्दी गर्म हो जाएगा. शाम को जब सनसेट आ जाएगा तो सनलाइट उधर नहीं है, ये लैंड जल्दी ठंडा हो जाएगा. Understand, student? But what about the sea? What is the special feature of the sea? It takes a long time to get hot, and once it gets warm enough, see, it takes a long time to get warm enough. Understand, students? Just see सुबह का टाइम, डे टाइम गर्म होने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है. ओके अगर गर्म हो गया तो बहुत टाइम लगता है इसको ठंडे होने के लिए. अंडरस्टैंड. इवनिंग को जैसे लैंड है वैसे सी समुद्र है इसे ठंडा नहीं होता है. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स. It's take a long time to get hot and once it gets warm enough, okay, the sea will take a long time to cool down. The sea will take a long time. जैसे लैंड है ऐसे जल्दी ये ठंडा नहीं होता है. It will take a long time to cool down. Understand student? Both warming and cooling take long time in the case of sea. Understand? Because it's filled with water. That is why. What is the reason? Because it's filled with the water. That is why. Students, now let us learn about the sea breeze. Okay? The wind that blows from the sea towards the land. See? The wind that blows from the sea. Sea में से जो cool air है कहाँ आएगा? Land में. But what about the hot air of the land? Okay, when it get warm, it will be rises up. Okay, then this cool air from the sea takes place of the hot air. Understand students? It is the sea breeze. Sea breeze means the wind that blows from the sea to the land. That is the sea breeze. Then what is the land breeze? This hot air, when the hot air of the land area will rises up, then it blows to the sea area. Okay, that is the land breeze. What is land breeze? A breeze blowing towards the sea from the land. Okay students, now let us learn again. See, weather. Short times in the atmosphere. Cool or hot, rainy or sunny, humid or dry. Climate. Long period of changes in the atmosphere. Winter season, summer season and rainy season. Okay, then factors that determine climate. Okay, distance from the equator, distance from the sea, then height above the sea level. Okay students, then sunrise falls directly in the equator area, then poles, it is a slanting rays. Okay, then what is the distance from the sea? Cooler air from the sea. Cooler air from the sea, it is the sea breeze. Hot air from the land to the sea, it is the land breeze. Okay, then height above the sea level. See, lower pressure in the higher area. Now let us learn about this tomorrow. Okay students? Okay, good.